Hello and welcome to Handy Brown Projects, a log of projects that I do with my hands. I'm Brown, and this is a video I made on changing my GPU stock cooler to an AIO liquid cooler. I recently changed my case to a first player steam pump SV8, which has tempered glass on the front and side panels. I then noticed that when I play some games demanding of my GTX 970, as the GPU gets hot, so does the tempered glass side panel. This has been an annoyance for me, where I have tried various fan configurations which, suffice to say, haven't solved this. Just to note, the temperature of the card on load reaches 80 degrees Celsius, which is considered normal. I'm also only concerned about the temperature, so I won't be going into detail specific performance. I'm going to proceed to unbox. As you can see, the box is quite large, and compared to a mouse, there is some damage during transport. I don't think that will damage the contents. It is open from the side. First thing that comes up is the user manual, a sturdy 120mm fan. This is the water block and VRM fan, and 120mm radiator, together with fan connectors. Some screws and connectors and thermal paste. Some VRM heat sinks, and a box labelled VGA RTX, which I assume are the connectors for RTX series GPUs. As you can see, there doesn't appear to be any issues with the build quality, though I did find what appears to be a manufacturing fault whereby the fins are higher behind one of the screw holes. This is the sound of the PC during gameplay, and it is at 80 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the fans are running. Switch back to Furmark, which is at 80 degrees Celsius. Putting on MSI Afterburner. Turns up the fans to a very noisy level. So we've finished the project, and this is the sound with all the fans at full speed. So we've finished installing the ID-Cooling Frostflow 120VGA, but I must say I am not entirely satisfied at the moment for two reasons. Firstly, although there is some reduction in temperatures, I am experiencing temperature spikes up to 95 degrees, and on one test the display actually shut off due to a higher spike. The temperature is also not very stable, ranging from 65 to 75 degrees during load, and also the power draw is also unstable. Also, this experiment has not solved my earlier irritation, as the heat on the tempered glass has only transferred from the middle of the glass to the side of the glass where the radiator is. So I will be doing some further tests and experiments, and perhaps return with another video. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.